What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is T. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I am back to do box braids. This is the first time literally I have ever done box braids. I have really high hopes that it's gonna come out good, but if it doesn't, you won't see this video. If it does, here we are. So I went to the beauty supply store, got a bunch of things that I needed, and we're gonna try to do these box braids, and I hope it comes out right. So from the beauty supply store, I got the Eco Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil Gel. I also got a rat tail comb because I don't have one. I have like regular combs, but I wanna get my parts precise. I'm a perfectionist, so I'll be trying to do everything nice. So, and then I got this type of hair. I think it's gonna look nice on my skin. It matches my hair a little bit. My hair is a little bit darker than this though, but it should blend. But this is the color 27. Again, I'm gonna leave it all in the description box below because this ain't no tutorial. So I hope they come here for a tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing, but I ain't no hairstylist or nothing. I just be doing what I do, how I do it.
Oh my God!
This is my hair. This is my hair. Alright, so let's just go right here. Man, I feel like that is so crooked, but I'm gonna fix it. I suck at parting my hair. Ooh, that's horrible. That is horrible.
Two hours later.
I need like a mirror right here so I can see the back of my head. Oh girl, that's the straightest I'm gonna get it. But I'm about to just go around my whole head and do the rubber bands and part my hair. I'm gonna be detangling and just, yeah, going around my whole head. Okay, so as I'm doing my hair, I was using this Eco Style gel, but let me show you what happened on this side. It made my hair like revert back to the curls. So I'm gonna use my edge fixer for my whole head. I think once I get the back part done, like it'll be a little bit easier because the back is just, I can't see the daggone thing. So how's you guys' day? I feel like I'm gonna be here for a minute. I'm trying to get at least almost done by like 7. Trying to position it like in the moat. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm about to be watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, a whole bunch of Netflix shows because I feel like this is gonna take a little minute. I feel like when you're doing a daggone part, you gotta have like really steady hands. And I don't have steady hands. Oh, okay. All right. That's a straight part right there. That's a straight part right here. So I'm gonna finish this stuff off and then I'm gonna come back and do the braids. So I'm gonna be back. So I finished doing all the little rubber bands all around my whole head, and I did 5 already. As you can see, it looks really nice. I love this color. I know I was gonna like the color though, but it looks really good. The back, not so much. Pretty much what I'm doing, first off, I'm taking some of my daily moisturizing cream, just a little bit, since this is gonna be a protective style, and just, you know, moisturizing my hair so that it can stay Gucci. And then I just tighten it a little bit more. So I'm gonna take some of my hair. All right, so I take the hair, right. This isn't a tutorial, but I'm not a rapper. How did that chip? Okay. All right, so I take the hair and then split it like this. It'd be taking me like 5 tries to do it correctly. Let's see how this one goes. All right, so then I just put it, can you even see? Yeah, you can see. So then I just put it on the braid, on the little knot. And then I go under, then under. Oh, see, no, that's not how I like it to look. Oh, I think this is it. It's your lie. Ah. Don't blow me. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Tomorrow for sure.
Okay, so I got finished doing my hair last night around like 12:30ish, and this is all that I got done. Ooh, bitch. Okay, anyways, I did about 23. I think it's like 23 or 24. Let me count. Hold on. So I did 21. So I don't know about these other people that have been doing their box braids. They be saying it hurts. Mine don't hurt. It's just a little heavy. But yeah, so last night I found a new Netflix show. It's called Schitt's Creek. SCHITTS Creek. And it's really good. So my feet started hurting. So I got my mom's Crocs. What the heck? And she has these little Dr. Scholl inside of them, and it helped burning. The heels were like screaming a bit. But yeah, let's finish this hair. I'm gonna have so much vacuuming to do. Ew. If you want a like edge tutorial, let me know. I will create one. Oh, once I get that baby on there, she be going. I told you, once I get it on there. Olé, olé. And for this part especially, what I learned in a day is like keep putting the edge control on my hair because it'll look better. Last one. We in this thing. I heard this helps with something. I don't know what. I think it helps with like the frizziness or something of the braids. Girl, I don't know. I just heard mousse helps with your braids. So I'm just gonna do it. Oh, let me design them now. Let me put some little stuff up in it and stuff, you know. So I have some of these little, like, I don't know what they're called. But, and then I have some braiding string. I got white because I feel like the white is gonna pop a little bit more. So I have my water now. Get up in there. Anyways, okay, so let me get a towel. That's what I forgot to bring now. All right, so I'm going to dunk them in the water now. All right, you guys, so this is how my hair turned out. What bra strap showing? I don't know. I just got this, so yeah. Let me show you guys how it looks without my little thing in. You said something? I can't wait to hit you with my braids, like, you know, do one of these, like just. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hit you with my braid. I did it on purpose. Ooh, 17 hours, 3 broken nails later. We are done, bitch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you're not already part of the gang. And of course, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter. I be doing it on there. And what else? But I think that's all. But yeah, my camera's about to die and I have nothing else to say, but I just really am feeling myself. Like, I'm really feeling myself. My boyfriend said I look like well, he said this little, where is it at? Where is it? Oh, this little thing. It reminds him of, what did he say, the Avatar? I was like, I mean, you know, I see you. I see you. Period. But all right, you guys, I love you and I will see you guys in my next video.